The benefits of regular home maintenance inspections for aging properties. Deciding on home maintenance inspections for aging properties is crucial for preserving their safety, value, and longevity. Regular inspections identify early signs of wear, such as plumbing issues, electrical system deterioration, roof damage, and foundational flaws, preventing these from escalating into costly repairs. Moreover, maintaining your property can lead to significant long-term savings by addressing minor issues before they become severe. Regular checks also ensure safety, enhance property value, offer insurance benefits, and assist in planning future upgrades. For homeowners of older properties, incorporating maintenance inspections is a strategic move for efficient property management.